Next one, my favorite, Mohammed X. He asks me again. So Mohammed X is asking me, could you cover your morality and ethics sources? Okay. Now, what this guy is asking me, I understood what he's trying to ask. Mohammed X is asking, Loy, where do you get your morals from? Where do you get your ethics from? Now this argument, this statement comes from the position whereby they believe your values, your ethics, your morals comes from religion or from a holy book. Okay, now here's my answer. The Muslim who said Allah Akbar and chopped a guy's head, where did his ethics and morals come from? From where? There you'll say, no, this is not Islam. Okay. Suppose there's a Muslim guy and is a pedophile. He raped a couple of small children in the UK. There are cases, these Muslim grooming gangs, okay, they raped some small children or they had sex. Where do their ethics and morals come from? There again you'll say, no, this is not Islam. Okay. Then if you're gay or LGBTQ, or they hang you or they kill you or they throw you. If you leave Islam, apostasy, they kill you. So where does all these values come from? In fact, the guy who puts bombs and say Allah Akbar and blows himself up. Okay, where do their ethics and morals come from? They are Muslim, right? I'm 100% sure you'll say, Loy, those ethics and morals don't come from Islam. So what it means is, even though there are hundreds of Muslims, there are Muslims who smoke, there are Muslims who drink, there are Muslims who fuck, there are Muslims who cheat, and then there are Muslims who are good, who do charity, who help the poor, who have helped me, who are my mentors. So just as no two Muslims are alike, even though they have the same book, that clearly shows your morality and your values and your ethics does not come from any book or text. It comes from within. When I was small, I was tortured, tormented, beaten, bloodied, bruised, sexually molested and raped by my own uncle, who was not a Christian, he was Hindu. Okay. My stepfather, who was Catholic Christian, he made me go through hell. He beat me, bloodied me. Now, Hindu also did bad, Christian also did bad. So, are all Hindus bad or are all Christians bad? And I've made it very clear, when I was in UAE, the majority of the people who helped me were Muslims. So now, does it mean all Muslims are good? See, remember this much, your ethics, your morals, your values come from within. Yes, upbringing has a lot of role to play, but once you become an adult, it is your thinking, it is your capacity to think, to do good. In fact, even animals, a dog protects, when a dog gives birth to its puppies, from where its values come from, that it's taking care of its puppies, that it will hunt for food and feed them. Is it reading the Quran? The dog is reading, oh Quran, take care of your children, love your children. Oh, it's written in the Bible, protect your children. Oh, sacrifice. Oh, Bhagavad Gita, it's written, oh, don't harm anyone, don't bite anyone, take care of it. Come on, man. If an animal can take care of its own, a human being has some brains. Do you need a magic book to tell you don't rape children, don't have sex with underage children, don't bomb, don't chop, don't kill? Your argument is stupid here. Anyway, this was Mr. Mohammed. Next one. This is entertaining. This poor guy, he spammed my entire channel to say this. So I reported him, and I'm pretty sure now his comments will not be featured. But I thought, just to keep him happy, let me share what he has to say. So this guy's channel's name is Hookah Buddies. This is what he says, okay? Hookah Buddy says, I did a little research, little, not much. I did a little research on this guy. That's me. He was kicked out of UAE. Oof, my goodness. Please put the newspaper links, or at least put the, where did you get this? And I'm glad he did little research. I wonder if he did more research, what shocking stuff would have come. Okay, so I was kicked out of UAE, fine. Okay, he was involved in a bank fraud. Allah Akbar, Allah. Which bank? Please don't inform Interpol. Please don't inform the CIA, FBI. Don't inform the police here that was involved in a bank fraud. And then he puts a laughing emoji. Okay. I really wish, if I was involved in a bank fraud, I wish it was billions of dollars, because need a lot of money. It's expensive. Okay. That is why he makes videos against Arabs and Muslims. See, because I was kicked out of UAE and because I was involved in a bank fraud, I make videos against Arabs and Muslims. But then, can you explain the sense? I made a video about Imran Khan. Was I involved in a bank fraud with Imran Khan? Or Imran Khan threw me out of Pakistan? In fact, I spoke about Pakistan. What about them? In fact, I even speak bad about India. The drawbacks, the rape cases in India. So I was kicked out of India also. That means every place, every person I speak bad, I was kicked out of there. Okay, then. I can feel the frustration in you, Roy. Chichi, you're so sweet. You feel. Please keep feeling. Keep touching and keep feeling. But just don't touch and feel too much. You'll get an orgasm. Whatever happened in UAE, it was your past. Forget it and move on. Okay, sir. Okay. As you say, I'll move on. I have never seen so much of hatred and frustration in a person. Ayyo, so much. Oh. Devare, it is dangerous. You piece of hit. You forgot the yes, sir. Anyway, Hookah Buddies wanted to share this. So I thought I will honor Hookah Buddies and give it. Okay. Next one, Mohammed Kareem. Adab Barse. Allah. What? Subhanallah. Something. What did they say? Allah Kareem. Okay. Mohammed Kareem says, I'm going to report your video. Make a good report. Okay. You never talk bad about atheists. How they eating babies? From where they get this eating babies story? That Mohammed was saying, eating babies, sex with babies. This guy is saying, which storybook you're reading, man? Just send me a link. Eating babies. I did know that RT, that Russian media company, reported a couple of Russians who have embraced Satanism. They worship the devil apparently. And they were involved in cannibalism. Cannibalism, eating other human beings, dead bodies. So they were arrested. So there are people who are that way also. But that doesn't mean every person who's into Satanism eats children or kills people. I have friends who are into Satanism. I have friends who are part of the Freemasons. I have friends who are part of the Illuminati, not the original group. They are pretty normal. But anyway, if you have any links to this, atheists eating babies and all that, send me the link. Let me have a look. Then Proud Pakistani. Proud Pakistani says, I have never heard of gay Pakistani Muslim. My dear friend, you're a proud Pakistani and never heard of gay Muslims. I know quite a number of Muslims, Arabs, Pakistanis, Indians who are gay and are very happy, and they're nice guys. They're not bad. I'm not making fun of them. In fact, my first girlfriend, who was the most serious relationship, was a Pakistani Muslim girl. I don't want to take her name out of respect. So Pakistani girls are not all holy-poly. In fact, some of the most erotic sexual adventures I had were with Pakistani girls. Okay, so Pakistan Muslim, not Christian, Pakistani Muslim. In fact, even married women, when I was a playboy, I used to have jing bang with them. One of the worst cases that I know, Pakistani female, she has 5 children. The comedic part is from 5 different guys, and the poor husband even doesn't know about it. How I know is she tried to have an affair with me and she openly admitted. I don't know why the fuck she even told me that. After that, I was like, please stay away. And she's hot, huh? But she's little, I think she's a nymphomaniac. Anyway, so having said that, these are some of the responses to the comments. Like, you know, see, what I want to tell you is, I don't hate Muslims. I don't hate Pakistanis. I think they, you know, Pakistani Muslims, Indians, Christians, Hindus, whatever, all nice people. We have differences of opinion and differences of ideas, but let's not have hate. Let's debate. Let's disagree. We don't need to call names. We don't need to threaten wives, children, nothing. And like I said, if I'm wrong anywhere, I'll admit I'm wrong. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Okay? This is me signing off. You guys take care.